Whether you are a legit beauty pro or a makeup newbie, this video is just meant for you. Hi cuties, I am Nidhi and in today's video I am going to share with you guys some makeup tips that will make your makeup routine easier.
First, prep your skin before makeup. Prepping your skin well and applying primer before makeup application is a step that you shouldn't miss out on. Primer acts like a barrier between your skin and makeup and protects your skin from any damage. Apart from that, it helps your makeup to glide on smoothly and helps it to last for a longer time. Second, exfoliate your lips before applying matte lipsticks. Just like you prep your skin before starting with your makeup, you should prep your lips too before applying any matte lipstick. Start off with using a lip scrub and gently exfoliate your lips to get rid of dead skin cells. Massage it on your lips in circular motions and then leave it on for 2 minutes. Wipe it off and top it off with your favorite lip balm. Third, dampen your beauty blender. Make sure you always dampen your beauty blender slightly before starting your base. It helps in seamless application and you don't have to keep on dabbing for a long time. Fourth, use a tissue to apply mascara on your lower lashes. Often while applying mascara on your lower lashes, it gets tricky as we don't want it all over the place and end up looking like a panda. You can simply avoid this by holding a tissue under your lower lashes and then apply your mascara. Fifth, hack a smoky eye with a hashtag. Get those perfect smoky eyes. Draw a hashtag using a kajal at the outer eyelid. Blend it using a makeup brush and there you go, a perfect smoky eye look within seconds.
That was it for today guys. I hope you found these tips to be helpful. If you know any makeup tips, comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye, see you next time.